Glenn Fremantle. The Hobbit, Desolation of Smaug, Brent Burge and Chris Ward. Lone Survivor, Wiley Stapleton.
And the Oscar goes to Gravity, Glenn Fremantle.
This is the first Oscar and second nomination for Glenn Fremantle, previously nominated in this category for Slumdog Millionaire.
My heart's beating fast and thunderous. Obviously, I'd like to thank Alfonso Cuarón for an amazing film, absolutely amazing film. Who then, the reason why I'm here is he gave us such a great opportunity, and all of us, and he brought us all together, and he pushed us right until the middle of the night, sometimes longer. But it's brilliant. And I also like to thank my crew. Obviously, they worked so hard, and David Heyman and Warner Brothers, who, you know, they were 100% behind us, and we couldn't have done it without that commitment from everybody and all the crews. We were such a team on this film, and sort of had a big bond. And I'd like to thank everybody else on the film as well for that. So I'd like to thank my wife Alison and my boys Danny, Nick and Ollie, and my crew. And thank you very, very much.